Hello, I'm Andrea, and this is Gardening with Heart. In today's video, it's time to refresh my hanging baskets on the front porch for summer. These baskets have been filled with petunias since the spring, and while they still look okay, it's definitely time for something new. So here's what we're gonna do. Going for an Americana themed front porch. I'm going with colors red, white, and blue. Here's what I'll be putting in the new baskets. I have 2 red begonias, 1 white vinca with a little hot pink yellow center, and the winner from Proven Winners is Play in the Blue Evolvulus, which is amazing, and I can't believe I got my hands on 3 of them. I was so excited, and I think these baskets are going to look great. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take out all of the old petunias and plants in the hanging basket. The soil is still pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and leave that. I will be freshening up the baskets and with new liners and new soil whenever I change out the front porch decor for fall. But I think the soil is still pretty good. So while I change the hanging basket decor every season for spring, summer, fall, and winter, I don't like to change the soil or disturb the soil, but only as needed basis. The cocoa liners I've been using for the last 2 years, so they definitely need to be replacing. But the soil is pretty fresh. I believe I put new soil in and last fall, so I'll put in some new soil this fall. You saw the plant tone, definitely slow release fertilizer to feed the plants through these hot summer months. It is already so hot here. I've slowed down without my outdoor task in the garden. South Louisiana heat is unforgiving and really unbearable, especially with dealing with heart disease and heart failure. You do not want to be working in this heat. This video was filmed in early July, and we had already reached over 100-degree temperatures. And the humidity is well over 100%. So you don't want to be caught outside for long without protection, shade, hydration, and a portable fan to cool you off. So you see me building the sides of my container. The red begonias will go in first, and they will go on each side. My hanging baskets on the front porch are on a swivel, so it does spin, but I do want to give a front and back display. So the red will be overpowering, or hopefully not overpowering, but very prominent in these arrangements. And the vinca, which is a full sun vinca, is very small, but they are full of blooms. They really pop in this arrangement on the front porch and are loving the sun. Root system looks great. All these plants came from Lowe's. Here we have the completed Americana themed July or summer hanging basket. We have the red begonias, the Play in the Blues, Proven Winners, and a white vinca in the back. So I have 2 hanging baskets on my front porch. Didn't realize the video cut out, but this is what the end of the basket looks like. I will be updating this basket once again in fall at the change of the season, where I'll definitely need to replace the cocoa liner as well as refresh the soil within. But I'm very pleased with how they turned out. In the middle of the front porch, I always like to have a little something different, but also similar. I kept the dark red petunias and the diamond snow euphorbia, and then here's an actual bloom on the Play in the Blues. It looks so good. Loving how that's really turning out. And the last hanging basket is the same. White vinca in the back, red begonias on the side, and plain the blues in the front. I did not change anything to my planters on the porch itself. I just couldn't bring it to get rid of these beautiful sweet potato vines that are completely happy. The coleus in the back are not doing that great. However, we just came off of a 3-week heat wave that I think really scorched them. It was super hot, and they did get the very hot afternoon sun. So I'm hoping that they'll rebound. May need to cut them back. I did update and redo the patriotic wreaths on my front door. Made those myself. Loved how they turned out with the Americana Summer theme. And then I also underplanted my rose trees. These are Julia Child's rose trees. They're new. I just got them in June and they have not broke dormancy yet. A little worried, but they did come bare root, so I'm giving them quite some time. Underplanted with the same Americana 3 plants, white vinca, play in the blues, and red begonia. And here on the other side. So that's a look at the front porch Americana Summer hanging baskets and decor update. Thanks for watching.